In today's video you will learn 50 everyday English sentences. Listen and repeat. Are you ready? Let's practice. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good morning. Did you sleep well? I'll have a coffee, please. I'll have a coffee, please. Could you pass me the salt, please? Could you pass me the salt, please? What time is the meeting tomorrow? What time is the meeting tomorrow? Sorry, I'm running a bit late. Sorry, I'm running a bit late. It's such a beautiful day outside. It's such a beautiful day outside. Did you watch the game last night? Did you watch the game last night? I can't believe it's already February. I can't believe it's already February. Have you seen my keys anywhere? Have you seen my keys anywhere? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Let's grab lunch together later. Let's grab lunch together later. Can you help me with this math problem? Can you help me with this math problem? I need to buy some groceries after work. I need to buy some groceries after work. What's your favorite movie of all time? What's your favorite movie of all time? Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now? I'm so tired, I could sleep for days. I'm so tired, I could sleep for days. Did you hear about the new restaurant downtown? Did you hear about the new restaurant downtown? What's the weather like tomorrow? What's the weather like tomorrow? I'm excited for the concert this weekend. I'm excited for the concert this weekend. Do you have any plans for tonight? Do you have any plans for tonight? How's the new job going? How's the new job going? Let's go for a walk in the park. Let's go for a walk in the park. Could you please turn down the volume a bit? Could you please turn down the volume a bit? What do you want for dinner tonight? What do you want for dinner tonight? I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being late. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Can I borrow your pen for a moment? Can I borrow your pen for a moment? Did you see that new TV show everyone's talking about? Did you see that new TV show everyone's talking about? I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music? Did you enjoy your vacation? Did you enjoy your vacation? Can you believe it's already Thursday? Can you believe it's already Thursday? I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse. I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse. How's your family doing? How's your family doing? I need to go to the bank later. I need to go to the bank later. I'm so glad it's finally the weekend. I'm so glad it's finally the weekend. Did you finish reading that book yet? Did you finish reading that book yet? What time is your flight tomorrow? What time is your flight tomorrow? Do you want to go for a drive later? Do you want to go for a drive later? Let's order a pizza for dinner. Let's order a pizza for dinner. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Do you prefer cats or dogs? Do you prefer cats or dogs? Are you busy this weekend? Are you busy this weekend? Let's meet up for coffee sometime. Let's meet up for coffee sometime. Could you please pass me the remote? Could you please pass me the remote? I have a dentist appointment later. I have a dentist appointment later. What's your favorite thing about winter? What's your favorite thing about winter? I'm not feeling very well today. I'm not feeling very well today. How's your day been so far? How's your day been so far? Let's go out for drinks tonight. Let's go out for drinks tonight. Congratulations! You've learned 50 everyday English sentences. For a better result, go back to the beginning of the video, play it again and listen and repeat after each sentence. Give us your feedback by clicking like or leaving a comment down below about your level of understanding. Subscribe to the Language Exchange channel for more English practice. Thank you for being with us. See you next time.